Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's probably been about a year since I've got a video up, and I've just got really busy, didn't really have enough time to get out on the water, get videos edited, get them uploaded. It just wasn't in the cards, but had some things change in life, and now I got a lot more time on my hands. I'm going to be on the water a lot more, so videos are going to be coming probably weekly, if not daily, but definitely weekly. So today we're out on a little pond near my house. I've posted a couple videos here before, and the bite's been hot. I've already been in this pond a couple times this year, and it's been on fire, so we're definitely going to catch some fish. I've mainly been getting pickerel, bass, perch, but we'll see what we end up getting today. I'm going to have 2 rods out the side of the kayak. We're just going to do some trolling. That's been what's really working for me best. I'm kind of not going to switch it up if it's working. Don't fix what isn't broken, right? So we'll get the rods out and we'll get going and see if we can put some fish in the boat, but I'm pretty positive it's going to happen today. It's probably about 55 degrees, the sun's out, and the fish should be active, so I can't see why we wouldn't catch any fish. So stay tuned. Alright guys, like I said, started the troll, and we are on again right away. So just seems like trolling is putting the fish on the hook. I don't know why, but it is, so I'm gonna just stick to it. I think I might have this fish hook weird because he feels pretty big, and I don't think he is. So not that bad actually. Pretty decent pickerel. Alright, come here buddy. In the boat we come. And actually, not a bad fish actually. He felt kind of on the larger side when I hooked him, but I thought I had him hooked funny. Alright guys, there we go. Decent little pickerel. I have caught a lot bigger in here, but this is a pretty decent size for this pond. This is about the larger end of what we're getting in here, but they're still fun to catch, and they're readily biting this time of year, so I'll take it. I'll let him go and get the next one. Alright, so coming down around this bend, we usually hook up, and sure enough, I just said that, and we hook up right away. Yeah, I'll get you guys up where you can see. A little bit better of a pickerel. If you'll cooperate. Oh, that little fish. Not a bad little fish. See you later, buddy. Oh, there we go. That's maybe a slightly better fish. Get you guys up. Maybe not super big, but get this other rod in. Rod's in and out of my way. Another pickerel. All pretty decent size today. Don't break my wall. I know you're gonna spin good. Nice fish. complain about that, that's for sure. Alright guys, there we go. Not a bad fish. Again, nice little pickerel. Let's send her home. And we're on a fish again. There we go. Oh, he come off. Did he just come back? Yep, he did just come back. Yep. Alright, he's gonna turn the kayak, so we're gonna have to get this other rod back in, because otherwise I'm gonna get all tangled up here. I'm gonna keep some pressure on him. Get this other rod in. That rod's in and out of my way. Alright. We still got him. Feels like another pickerel. But yeah, they're loving this little mega bass lure. Yeah, another pickerel. Alright, come here, son. Alrighty. Go ahead and twist. I know you're gonna twist. There it is. Alright. Toothy little critters, but beautiful little fish. I don't mind catching these. They're like little pike to me. A lot of people don't like catching them, but I enjoy catching anything that really swims. So personally, I'll take them all day long. If they're willing to bite, I'm willing to catch them. Let's get the rods back out and get another one. Alright guys. Alright guys, we got a fish on the left rod here. Get in this other rod real quick. You guys up there, you're gonna be able to see. This fish actually pulled out a little drag, which I'm kind of surprised at. But now I realize why, because he's hooked under the chin and all messed up. Alright. Yeah, that's why, because bad little fish. Got some scars on his side. Kind of hard to believe there's something in this little pond that would actually try eating him, but I have caught some decent sized fish, so wouldn't surprise me. See you later, bud. Alright guys, so I threw the plastic out in that weed bed, and sure enough, ended up with a bite. Got a nice little yellow perch. Pretty colors on that fish. Let her go, see if there's any more hanging out there. Missed them again. Must be a couple small fish in there because... Oh, no, that time. Oh. We got another perch. Yeah, there we go, guys. Another perch. See what else we can find. See you later, bud. Alright guys, I hooked another fish on the trout magnet, but this feels a little larger than a perch. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a pickerel. Well, that's fun. Now let's hope I can get him in without him breaking my line. As he swallowed that. Oh boy. Okay. Somehow we got him in the boat without him breaking the 6-pound test. I mean, it's still a fish. I'll take it. Oh, here we go again. Let's see. I think it's a pickerel this time, though. Oh, it's a bass. Well, not the way I expected to catch a bass today. But if that's how we gotta do it, that's how we gotta do it. Come here, bud. Nice. All right. First bass of the day. Not the way I expected to catch one, but we'll take it. I'm gonna look at him. Alright, bud. See you later. Alright, guys, we got another fish here. This feels... what is that? Oh, we got something different. Look at that. What a pretty fish that is. A nice looking fish. Nice pumpkin seed. Alright, this little back cove where I saw that patch of weeds is starting to pay off. See you later, bud. Yeah, I saw that patch of weeds and figured there's usually panfish hanging out around stuff like that. And I do love to chase down some panfish every now and then. So I figured I'd come back here, toss this trout magnet around, and so far it's been paying off. Hopefully we can find some crappie. That would be really nice. That unexpected bass was a nice surprise. I wasn't anticipating something like that, but you never know what you're going to catch when you're fishing with this. Oh, there we go. Bob is going again. Feels like another sunfish, maybe. Perch. There you go. Nice little perch. See you later, buddy. Yeah, it seems like in front of that big bush over there that's kind of flooded out at the moment, there seems to be a lot of fish over that way. So we'll keep hitting it and see what else we can pull out of there. Alright, guys, another fish. It's a sunfish. Yep. Oh, big pumpkin seed again. Look at that fish. That thing is beautiful. Oh, that's one of the reasons I love fishing with this little trout magnet. You never know what you're going to catch with it. I mean, in a span of 5 minutes, I've caught a pickerel, a bass, perch, pumpkin seeds. I'm pretty sure I lost a crappie over there, but, I mean, this thing just catches everything. So, that's why I always have one tied on the rod. Alright, fish on again, guys. Oh, another bass, like I said. Never know what you're gonna catch. Oh, that's funny. Nice. Alright. Pass number 2 on the trout magnet. See you later, buddy. Alright, guys. First cast up inside those weeds up. Well, not weeds. Sticks up there. Bob almost went down instantly. I'm not sure what it is yet either. Oh, big old bluegill. Another new species for today. Good looking fish. That's the same bite. I'm right in there. So let's see if any of his friends are home. Looks like they are. Oh, what was that? I don't want to float in too much. Yep, another perch. Alright. Slightly better one this time, though. Much nicer fish. Much nicer fish. See you, buddy. Alright, guys. Well, while I have a free second before we start doing anything else, let's show you what we're using for the day. First one is this Mega Bass Battalion X. This thing's been killing the fish for me the past, I don't know, week and a half since I've gotten them in on order. And then the other lure that I've been using is one of the newer Rapalas that's been released. It's the Rapala Countdown Elite, and I mean, I don't know if you can see how chewed up this lure is, but this thing has only seen water 3 times, and I mean, it's caught some fish. So these 2 lures, they've been absolutely killing it for me. Haven't taken them off the rods. Like I said, we're gonna troll down the other end. When I get to that down tree, I'm gonna pop out the trout magnet again and start casting around. Hopefully we can find some crappie at this point in the night. Since I've pretty much caught everything else, my goal is to put some decent sized crappie in the boat, and the majority of the crappie in here are pretty large, so if we do find them, they should all be slabs. So let's hope we can do that, but let's get over the other side and we'll get these rods out while we're doing that. Well, I've been making quite a few casts up and down this bank, and have not been able to locate any crappie. Guess today just isn't going to be the day. Most likely going to call it after this cast. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.